In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to VPN Google Play Store. This process allows you to access apps and content unavailable in your region. Using a VPN can enhance your experience and provide access to a wider variety of apps. Let's dive into the steps. First, you need to install a VPN app on your device. This is a critical step because a reliable VPN will allow you to connect to servers in different countries. On your screen, you should see the App Store icon for your device. Tap on it to open. Once opened, you'll be greeted with a variety of apps. As you begin your search for a VPN, ensure you choose one that has a good reputation. This matters because a trustworthy VPN protects your data and privacy while you browse. Next, you will search for the VPN app in the Play Store. At the top of the screen, locate the search bar. Click on it and type in the word VPN. Once you do this, a list of VPN applications will appear. You might see popular choices like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, or others. This is important as different VPNs offer varying levels of service and security. A well-known VPN generally offers a better experience. Now it's time to search for the specific app. Scroll through the results and find a VPN that catches your eye. Take a moment to look through the options. You want to find an app that is not only popular but also has good reviews. This ensures you are selecting a quality VPN that will serve your needs effectively. As you browse, check the developer name of the app. This is crucial because it helps you determine if the app is from a reputable source. If the developer is well known, it adds a layer of trust. You can usually find this information right under the app title. Next, check the overall rating of the app. You should see a star rating on a scale of 1 to 5. A higher rating typically indicates that users have had a positive experience. This step is essential in ensuring that you select an app that works well. Once everything looks trustworthy, proceed to install the app. Click on the Install button, and the app will begin downloading to your device. This process may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once installed, you will see an icon for the VPN app on your home screen. This means you are one step closer to accessing the Google Play Store with your new settings. After installing, open the VPN app. You will typically find this on your home screen or in your app drawer. Upon opening, you may need to log in or create an account. This step is important because it ensures your connection is secure and personalized. Now, keep the VPN connected to the target country. Most VPNs will allow you to select a country from a list. Choose a country where the content you want to access is available. This is key to bypassing regional restrictions. Next, open the Google Play Store again. You should see the familiar Play Store interface. Tap your profile icon at the top right corner to access your account settings. This is a straightforward step that will allow you to modify your account preferences. From there, tap on Settings. This will lead you to various options related to your Google account. Next, tap on General to access the General Settings menu. Following that, select Account and Device Preferences. This is where you will make the necessary changes to access a different region. Now tap on Country and Profiles. You will see options for changing your country. If available, select the new country you wish to switch to. This is crucial because it allows you to access apps and content specific to that region. Finally, add a payment method from that country. This may involve entering new credit card details or billing information. After you've done this, wait up to 48 hours for the change to take effect. This waiting period is standard, so be patient. You are now ready to explore the Google Play Store as if you were in the newly selected country. Enjoy the wider selection of apps available to you.